This is where it all begins. And this is how it ends. So, I finally did it. I bought a 3D printer. Before printing a robot army, I made a light box. Here's the result. Could be better, but it's a solid start. And of course, I added a little knob to turn it off and on. I decided to keep it simple, 3 AA batteries to light it up. But then I realized, I don't have the metal connectors for the batteries. At least it fits perfectly. Instead, I will use DC to DC transmitter and install few LEDs and transistors on PCB plate. It will look at something like this, but with 5 LEDs and transistors. My €13 Temu soldering gun is doing its best. I believe in it. So far it's been easy, solid joints, no heat issues. Here's the result, not a perfect 10, but miles better than before. The workflow felt so much smoother. Let's try it. Quick disclaimer while I'm wiring this up. I cleaned my table before filming, and that was my first mistake. I have two of these DC to DC converters, and somehow I grabbed the one I never tested. Usually I double check, but not this time. Long story short, it was set to 31 volts. Didn't look too critical, but yeah, totally roasted.
5 hours later.
So yeah, I redid the whole thing. Let's call it the prototype. Appreciate you watching. I'm definitely ordering some LED strips to take this light box to the next level. See you in the next one.